Hello everybody and welcome to this new Sunday cooking class.
Hi, this is Ainhoa.
This is Fran. Welcome home everybody. So happy to see you here. We wish you were here physically with us, not just virtually. So today, what are we doing?
So we are making something that we don't often do, is fry.
There we go. We're gonna fry.
We're gonna fry, and I love that. I love what we are making today.
It's like a Parmesan croquette, kind of.
I would say it's like a cheese cloud.
Cheese cloud. Okay, I think that sounds
It's a cheese
fancy
cloud.
enough.
It's a cheese cloud.
Ooh,
Wow.
I like that one. One of the things is that in all type of cooking, always the hero is the yolk and the white. Except in the pavlova, I think there's not too many things that we always set aside the whites. So we set aside the whites.
We make it fantastic on
I know we
whites.
always eat them, but they're always set aside. But this recipe, the star, is the parmesan and the egg. In fact, you're gonna need 2 ingredients.
The egg white, yes, 2 ingredients, parmesan and egg whites, and it's something that we very often make when we cook one other thing that is called leche frita, fried milk. But this recipe will come
because
later.
the leche frita. Anyway,
Later.
we'll do it. Let's go, shall we?
Let's go.
Vamos, 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 vamos. Let's go, everybody. Let's do our Parmesan Clouds. Oh, I love how that's. Okay, so we have our little still life here with all the veggies and the lemons and the egg. And as we said, what do you need? You need some oil. This is already warm, okay? And you need, we're not kidding, 2 ingredients. You need egg whites and Parmesan cheese. Ta-da!
That's all.
That's it.
And same amount, I would say same weight of egg yolks, egg whites and Parmesan cheese.
So easy peasy, easy peasy. So what we need to do is, first of all, make sure that the oil is not too hot. Okay, because
And not too cold.
not too cold. And what we're going to do, we are going to use this kitchen aid. We wish it was like a Kenwood, but it's not.
It's not.
Okay, because
But I will get one day. No, maybe not a Kenwood, like, I like this fancy turquoise. I don't remember the name.
Well, it's okay. This is what we have.
It's
But
perfect.
the important thing is that it works. And what you want to do is put the egg whites to, fluffy. I don't know how you say
Yeah,
that
a
in
little
English.
fluffy, but not too much.
Okay.
So egg whites go in. Parmesan cheese goes in. And this goes down.
And you let it mix for a bit. It's the same amount of Parmesan cheese to... What's wrong?
Something is wrong
Uh-oh.
right now.
Okay. So now, it's gonna mix, and meanwhile, let me tell you, meanwhile that mixes and gets all ready, let me tell you about the tours that we're gonna be having for next year. We are going to be going to the Mediterranean, in the magnificent Mediterranean tour. Then we're gonna go to do the Camino, but from Porto to Santiago. I love that tour, it's like one of my favorites. And then we are going to probably, this is still in there, we are going to do a Christmas in Scotland tour with our dear friend Liz Lister. So, hey, that's the idea. Those 3 tours for 2020, for next year. Anyway, let's see how everything is doing over here. Look at Ainhoa, all concerned. Look at egg whites. It's like, oh my god, what's going on here? It smells so good.
The thing is that it's too little, so I generally do it by hand. But
Okay.
so it's we want to mount it a little bit.
Okay. Give it a little bit more action there. It is already smells like cheese in here.
Let's
Okay.
see.
I know. Yes. Okay, let me show you how well mixed everything is, and you just have to make little spoonfuls. Should I go to the other side? Yes, I think I
Maybe.
should. Yeah, the oil is hot enough,
You don't need to make them very big.
and let me see if I can zoom in. I zoomed in too much.
Whopper.
I mean, trust me, these are so good. Oh God, it smells like heaven.
It melts really well.
And you just have to be careful not to overdo it on one side, because it's like they burn fast. Look, you see, once they get heat, they get all puffy, puff. Like,
Can add a couple more. Depends on how many egg whites you have.
how many was this?
It was only 2.
And here, obviously, the trick is that the Parmesan cheese has to be very, very good. Okay,
Yeah.
it's just 2 ingredients. Hey, you're not gonna lose too much money.
Well, you can use grana padano also, why not?
Wow, to me, the Parmesan cheese is like,
Voila, you're fine, you're right, but
hui.
so it's taking a while, but
Oh, you got.
I'm going to put it up. No, but it's fine. I mean, you cannot burn them. There's no point burning them.
You just have to keep on twisting and making sure that
They don't. They need to be golden, but that's all.
the little ones, I think they're already. And one thing important when you do these things, you need a drying paper. I don't know how you say it, but a paper that all of these fried things you
Kitchen
can.
paper.
A kitchen paper.
Kitchen towels. Kitchen paper.
So, that extra oil that they might have, you give it to that.
So the thing is that the
towel.
oil doesn't need to be neither too hot, neither too cold, because you need the heat to give it like a puff, right? So let's see what happens.
I love that they're not explosive, like,
No,
because
they're
sometimes
not
like
explosive.
churros, things like that are more crazy.
Crazy. I love churros. We need to go to Madrid and have some
Yeah.
really good places. Or in Seville. Maybe one day we can show them our favorite place for churros in Seville.
Yes, it's right in Macarena.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's right across the street from Macarena's cathedral church, not cathedral.
Cathedral. It's a very important church, but it's not a cathedral.
Oh, by the way, the Macarena song has nothing to do with the Macarena Holy Mary, right? Because Macarena is a very, very traditional name in Spain, especially in Sevilla. Right? It was
because of the Virgin.
a Holy Mary. Do you know the difference between a Holy Mary? We never say Virgin.
Do you?
Yep. Virgin is this. I was explaining. I didn't know because we always say La Virgen, the Virgin Mary, but it's Our Lady or the Holy Mary or the
Direct
Virgin, because
translation
Virgin
from
is
Spanish.
because talking about sexuality.
Really?
Yep. And
Whatever.
well, hey, that's what I learned. I don't know if it. Are you eating these little ones?
Sorry.
You didn't save one for me?
No.
Thank you.
You were talking.
Yeah, somebody has to do the talking.
Fine. So let's get 2 out so you can see them while the rest fry.
Finished. you see how puffy they are? How like super.
I'm not gonna touch them.
No, not right now because they're super hot. But we want to open one before we go. So why don't we start saying goodbye? But before, was it too hot?
It was hot.
Hot. So our friends, before we say goodbye 100%, we are going to show you how they turn out. But we want to say thank you so much for being this week here. It is something that is very special is if you guys give us a thumb up. We really appreciate it. And if you have not subscribed yet to our channel, please do so. We really want to have as many followers as we can so we can share with you all the passion for our gastronomy and our country. But that's it.
Okay, so see you
Are
next
you going
week.
to open?
Well, I don't know if I can.
Can you?
Nice.
So outside is all crispy, inside is all creamy. Super good. Our friends, we love you all.
You're gonna get burned, but it's nice.
No. So I'm a wimp. She's fireproof. Love you guys. Adios, amigos.